All right, guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna open up this fried chili paste. It's a fantastic product. I discovered this, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, and I've been using it on everything. And today I'm gonna cheat, not really cheat, but I'm using chicken noodle soup made in America to try to mimic a dish that we have in Laos called Kao Piek. I'll have to show you an image of what that dish looks like, but that dish is really hard to make. It's really challenging, takes a lot of hours. But anyways, let's talk about this first. So this is fried chili garlic oil. So it has Thai chilies, I'm assuming, garlic, red onions, and palm oil it uses, which I know people aren't crazy about palm oil, but it is what it is. It's all right. All right, so let's open this sucker up. So typically I use this in soup dishes, like pho and so forth. Today I'm gonna put it on my chicken noodle soup. Packaging just comes like that. It's made out of California, by the way. Looks like that. It usually has this seal, which is kind of nice. Ooh, came up really easily here. Just like that. And typically when companies, when they try to package and send this away, they usually have like sometimes they actually use wax to cover up the product, so it's a better seal. Obviously it's food safe. In this particular case, I think the palm oil just rolls to the top. See how it's like up higher like that? But I'm gonna have you take a look at this. See, so here's the oil, which is fine. I will try to get the other parts of it. I'm gonna show you too. There we go. All right, so it looks like that. Beautiful, dark. It just adds so much to soup. So I'm gonna show you here in a second. Off to the left here, I have the chicken noodle soup already made. Just basic chicken noodle soup. But in Southeast Asia, we have a dish called Kao Piek, which is very similar to this. But watch when you add this to it. It's so good. Just a little bit goes a long way. I eat really spicy, as you guys probably already know. It just smells beautiful as well. Of course, I'm gonna add cilantro. And then if I really wanted more flavor to this dish, which I don't really need to, chicken noodle soup is already pretty tasteful itself, the stock. But then you can also add Maggi sauce, which I'm not going to today. I add crushed peppers. So now it becomes more of like an Asian dish versus an American dish. Enjoy.